Hello guys, welcome back once again to another episode of Learn Data Analytics with Blessing. If you're just coming across my video for the very first time, my name is Ibrahim Blessing. I'm that data analyst passionate about growth. And in today's video, we'll be looking at the SQL Having Clause. What is this SQL Having Clause? This clause was added to SQL because the where keyword cannot be used with aggregate functions. So let's say, for example, I want to group the sum of quantity. First, let me run this and see all the records in the others table. I want to group the total quantity based on the product. So first thing first, I would say select what product, then comma the sum of the quantity. So I'm going to sum all the quantity, sum of the quantity as total quantity. Then you have to specify where the data is coming from the others table. From others, then we use the group by product. So let's run this and see. So if I run this, you can see that the quantity column has been grouped based on the product. So what I want to see now is to filter out the total quantity that is greater than 3. I can use the where clause. I can't say where what? Will I come here and say where the sum of quantity? Let's see. Ctrl C, then paste this here. Ctrl V is greater than 3. Let's see what happens if I run this. You would see that we're already having this error line. If I run this, let's see the error would get. So it says that we have incorrect syntax near the keyword where. So anytime we want to filter aggregated columns that you've used functions like sum, count, average to work on, the where clause is not used to filter that data out. What you use is the having. So I'll come here and change this from where to having. So I'm saying that select the product, the sum of the quantity as total quantity from the others table. Once you are done, group it by the product, then filter out where the sum of quantity is greater than 3. If I run this now, execute, would have that it returned 4 and 5. So let's see what happened. So you can see that every of the quantity, total quantity that is greater than 3 were filtered out. That's why it returned 4 and 5. So what if I want to order it based on the sum of quantity in descending order? If I should run all this now, first we have, you can see it in this manner, 4 and 5. What if I want to be in descending order? So I'll come here and say order by what? I'll still bring this sum quantity. Ctrl C is that I bring this sum quantity like this. V, paste it here in descending order. So let's run this and see. Can you see that's been sorted out? Or I just use order by, then I'll use the alias instead. The alias, which is total quantity. Order by total quantity in descending order. It will still give us the same result. So this is how you can use the having to filter out data that has to do with aggregate functions. All right, thank you for watching. We'll meet again in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button.